Shall we do an unboxing? I don't do this that often, but right now it seems like I am. Hello, it's Icy. Yes, that's right. I am here for another unboxing. For like 2 months? This is like nearly a record. But various things to do with my setup have been falling apart. Specifically, my keyboard has been gradually, with admittedly heavy use, falling apart over the last sort of 6 months or so. But more and more keys are breaking off, and I really think and thought it was time to upgrade. So I have purchased a new keyboard from Mwave. I don't know if you can see that along the edge of the box lid there. Because Black Friday deals, Cyber Monday deals were quite good, and the price, I'd been looking at this particular model for a little while. The price was good, and so I jumped for it. So all I've done so far is just slice the top of the box open. So, and I literally, as of time of recording, I ordered this last night, like in the evening, and it was here today. Link in the description, mwave.com.au. Very large amounts of puffy stuff, which will be fun to explode later. Actually, maybe not. I might save that for actually sending presents over Christmas. So, conveniently, I also got another card for this camera right here, so I could record longer videos but also take more photos. So it's an extremely big box, excessively big for what came in it, which is the G512 Carbon keyboard from Logitech. Now, I had an earlier Logitech keyboard. The earlier keyboard that I had was using the Roma G switches. The Roma G switches were very nice, but what I found personally was over time, yeah, the actual has like 4 little prongs that hold it into the actual key slot on the keyboard. Like, it wasn't that noisy, it was lovely to use, the typing was excellent, gaming was excellent, but what happened after a while was the 4 little prongs started to break off and the keys would fall off, like the one I just demonstrated, but also the prongs would stay embedded into the slot they'd been in. So even though I have spare keys, and it actually originally came with spare keys, I can't actually use them because the holes are filled with broken off plastic. So while I did want another Logitech keyboard, I did want one with cherry switches instead of the Roma G switches. So conveniently enough, now they come with your choice of switches. So you can have, there are still, if you prefer the Roma G, there are still Roma G keyboards that you can buy. But there are also the Logitech keyboards that you can purchase with Cherry MX red, brown or blue. So these are the red switches. I possibly would have got the brown ones instead, but they didn't have it. And my need for a keyboard is getting quite extreme. So in the box we have bits of paper, warranty information, I'm assuming. Actually, a very good sticker, which I might use. We'll see. Cardboard to protect, hold the cable together. There we go. Just shucking it all on the floor. Keyboard protected in nice crinkly plastic. We'll just Do you know, while I've done test videos on this camera directly without like a plugged in mic or anything, I haven't actually done a vlog style video. So we'll see how it goes. Right, there we go. Alright. So obviously, these sorts of keyboards are a lot louder than any sort of membrane, cheaper office style keyboard that you can get. However, from the last time I tested, I actually find these a lot easier to type on than like an office keyboard. They're actually not as fatiguing, oddly, if that makes sense. So even though they're often noisier, they're not too bad. So if I go, so that's the space, enter, what's that, Windows key. So now I'm holding it as such. So if I put it on, I've got like a desk size mouse mat here to help neutralize the sounds. Okay, so it's not too bad. Can you hear that one? Yeah? So this is the existing keyboard on the same desk. Oh! Okay, so there's actually quite a bit of difference in the sound. That's a lot higher pitched. That's a lot more earthy. Hang on. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. That's me like slamming the space bar. Okay, good. That's pretty good actually. That's pretty good. I think I'm going to be happy with that. I mean, apart from that, it's basically identical to the existing one. I have the 412 or the 413, which is silver. Has a silver metal kind of surface instead of a black one. I mean, it's nice and heavy. It's not going to slip around on your keyboard at all. And it looks real good. One thing it doesn't come with, which the other one did, is it doesn't come with any replacement keycaps. So the other keyboard actually came with replacement ADSF keycaps, where you could actually have some that were like more scooped to help your fingers find them while you were typing. These are all very perfectly flat. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, right? See what happens. I mean, I'm sure because of standard switches as opposed to the Roman Gs, I'm sure I could buy replacement keycaps if I wanted. I don't know if I want to, but we'll see what happens. But thank you very much for watching. Obviously, I can't do my fancy switches to other screens because I'm recording this directly on the camera instead of through OBS. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. I would appreciate it. Do you use Logitech hardware? Have you been happy with it in the past? I have been. I love their mice. Absolutely adore them. So yeah, let me know what you think. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video. That would be very much appreciated. It helps with the algorithm. We must all worship at the algorithm's feet, apparently. Come follow me over on twitch.tv/ICYIC, where I put said keyboard through a pounding as I try to do various content. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.